we make it so you can make a living, but more importantly, that you understand and appreciate how to make a life. I ask you to reflect on a fundamental question. What are future generations gonna say about you? Who's gonna tell your story?
St. Francis prides itself of being the small college of big dreams. My big dream is to become a physician-scientist. St. Francis College has world-class mentors that genuinely want students to succeed. The most invaluable asset of any organization or institution is its people. I was searching for a community, but by making the choice to actively participate in this amazing environment, I was able to find more than a community, a family.